If you are a fan of wholesale deals and budget-friendly shopping, DHgate is a massive online marketplace offering products in nearly every category. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate DHgate and save on your purchase by using a referral link in the description of this video. But let's actually see what this platform is offering, because DHgate is perfect for electronics and gadgets at wholesale prices, fashion and accessories directly from manufacturers, home goods, kitchenware and furniture, sports, fitness and outdoor equipment. The platform allows you to filter by seller rating, shipping location and bulk pricing tiers. If you're a business, DHgate's reseller-friendly deals are ideal for sourcing inventory at lower cost. They often run site-wide sales events, group buy discounts where you team up with other buyers, and coupon centers where you can collect daily deals. And now, to maximize your saving on DHgate, use the referral link in your description. This will unlock special coupons and new user discount, as well as cashback deals for certain product categories. Stretch your budget further on DHgate and claim your exclusive saving through our link.